At Tecniplast Group, we continuously improve our business operations, always striving for innovation and evolution. We believe that the success of our business is created by individual efforts, good teamwork, and sincere communications with our clients. Our story began in 1949. Decades of experience and commitment are at the service of modern biomedical research. In 1962, we introduced the first molded plastic cages in the market, and in 1994, our top-quality individually ventilated cages. Since 1992, with our sister company IWT, we provide customers with washing and automation solutions. Today, Tecniplast offers the most complete related product portfolio, ranging from IVC and analysis systems, aquatic solutions, laminar flow, cage and rack washers, bedded handling and disposal systems, decontamination and automation, as well as a complete range of accessories. Tecniplast's revolutionary digital ventilated cage, DVC, enhances the threshold in animal welfare, in users' ergonomics, and in management of lab animal facilities. Located nearby Milan Malpensa International Airport, Tecniplast headquarters occupy a strategic position in the north of Italy. Our 53,000 square meter production facilities allow us to meet clients' expectations. We design, develop, and produce everything in-house, using highly automated machines, embracing lean management procedures. We have been the first to use polysulfone in our industry, and we currently are the first user in terms of quantity, with more than 600 tons of plastic molded per year and over 5.5 million cages around the world. Our R&D and technical departments are inspired by efficiency and sustainability. Time to market is expedited through the validation of models and concepts before going to actual production. Our mold design team converts finished product drawings into actual prototypes. Our molding department features modern equipment. This ensures stability, productivity, and quality at top levels, with a substantial reduction of energy consumption and CO2 emissions. Stainless steel components are produced in-house in dedicated workshops. IVC rack structures are then moved to the assembly area, where an anthropomorphic robot marks them using a patented ink capable of resisting to autoclave cycles. After fitting and cleaning, final quality checks are performed and customers' products are accurately wrapped in cling films ready to be worldwide delivered. Our dedicated quality department assures that both materials and products meet specifications using the best control equipment available on the market. Our sister company, IWT, is specialized in equipment for processing cages and components, with an experience of more than 25 years and over 800 rack washers installed in the most prestigious institutes worldwide. IWT campus counts over 8,000 square meters of production areas, design studios, and offices, as well as 2,000 square meters of training and showroom facilities. From compact inline bottle processing to innovative rack washers, from fully integrated automation systems to turnkey solutions for heat-sensitive devices decontamination, everything is bound by user-friendly logistic accessories. To provide equipment based on quality, durability, and flexibility, all production processes are in-house. Clients are always welcome to attend factory acceptance tests to witness the commissioning process and validate their own machines with us. Our centralized automated warehouse is designed to support your continuous growth, reduced operation costs and safer procedures, quicker delivery time, and better shipping efficiency. The warehouse covers an area of 13,000 square meters. Thanks to our lean production and supply chain management, all products are developed safeguarding the environment as proven by ISO 14001 and ISO 9001 for design, manufacturing, and service of laboratory animal equipment. Our Congress Center offers a large conference room with more than 120 seats, as well as several training and meeting rooms for both staff and visitors. Next to the Congress Center in Tecniplast showroom, clients can interact with our integrated top-level range solutions for laboratory equipment. Tecniplast Group has facilities in Italy, the UK, Germany, France, USA, Canada, China, Australia, and Japan. In 2010, a new office and production facility was opened in North America. Our global presence is based on a network of nearly 70 international representatives all over the world. Tecniplast, one world for your vivarium.